Monarchs make a 3,000-mile journey through their lifetime. They first start out in the US as eggs, and then towards the fall they travel down to Mexico, where they winter. After that, they come back up for the spring to breed, then lay eggs, and unfortunately that's where they also die. The eggs hatch, and the whole journey starts over. From an egg, it takes a monarch about 30 days to grow up into adulthood. Monarchs have the capability of flying between 12 and 25 miles per hour, and they travel about 100 miles a day. Female monarchs lay between 100 and 400 eggs on milkweeds. Milkweed is vital to monarchs. It's their only food source when they hatch, and it's also a protective to help make them poisonous to other animals. Male monarchs have two distinct dots on their lower wings that look like. Bumblebees are fantastic pollinators, but they don't make honey. They mix pollen with food paste to create a nectar. It's not just the monarchs and the swallowtails that are beautiful. Take a look at this brown butterfly. Beautiful patterns on its wings and vital for pollinating flowers. This one is enjoying oregano in my pollinator perennial garden.